Guys, it's a new week. It's freaking Sunday. Because yes, if you are an online arbitrage seller, your week starts on Sunday and not on Monday. Why? Because most websites release their new weekly ads on Sunday. Just like if you've seen my Walgreens video link here, which is one of the best video on online arbitrage on YouTube. I believe it's the best video because no video will help you actually find profitable product like this video. All right, this is the best video ever released on YouTube about online arbitrage. But today we are going to do something a little bit similar for a new website. And this website it's in the title, so you guys know, but I'm gonna act like if you don't know and you're just gonna get this revealed to you. Target. All right, today I'm going to show you how to source Target. It's a little bit different than Walgreens. By the way, watch the Walgreens video if you haven't seen it, but as I said, it's a little bit different, but it's quite similar because we are going to look at weekly ads. All right, so do not stop scanning the whole website on tactical arbitrage or tactical, like it does not work. This is not how you source Target. This is not how I source Target personally, I should say. So I'm going to show you how to actually source Target. So we are on Target right now, and as I said, it's going to be the same thing as Walgreens. All right, so we are going to go to the deal tab and we are going to go to the weekly deals. Now, the only thing that's a little bit different with Target is that those pages are not scannable. You cannot scan those pages. You need to look at them manually. I've never been able to scan them, whether it is with Tactile Arbitrage, Tactile Expander. With Tactile Expander, it just stopped working. It just stops working at one point. So the only thing you can do is look at them manually. All right, so we are going to get back to the weekly ad. This is the weekly ad, and we are going to look at what looks interesting for us, right? I haven't looked at it. It's Sunday. It's literally Sunday. It's 10 a.m. I just start working. Yeah, I haven't looked at it. We're gonna go through it together. And one thing you need to know is like, it's not good every week. Same as Walgreens. Walgreens is more consistent, but those type of things, it's not going to be good every week. You know, sometimes you're going to have a little stretch, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, 4 weeks, where you're not going to find stuff. All right, I tried to keep it PG-13 today. I don't know why I'm not cursing, but yeah, you're going to have some stretch where you're not going to find stuff, where the promotion are not going to be good. It's been the case for me for the last 2 weeks. I've not seen anything, you know, I haven't seen anything that looked really good. But for example, right now, you know, we can see like 20% on outdoor furniture. I mean, I do not want to venture into that when, you know, selling on Amazon, you know, like I'm not interested. So let's see if there's some interesting stuff. Most of the time, the thing that's really interesting is like video games, toys. I mean, what I noticed, I haven't been sourcing Target that long with that method, but I found some stuff, to be honest. And same thing, nothing interesting here. Outdoor furniture, outdoor accessories. That's really lawn and garden items. 20% on lawn and garden items. It may be something good. So we are gonna open this. Yeah, in another tab, and we'll open all the tabs that we think are interesting. So yeah, let's keep looking. So lawn and garden items. Yes, it's the same thing. I've not really looked at the fixed price stuff, like you know, not interesting. I'm really looking at promotion, like 20% on Schwinn bicycle. I do not sell bicycle. Yeah, so okay, this is gonna start getting interesting. $20 on under, no, not interesting. 10% on little tag toys, it's not enough. Select Kitcraft play sets, like guys, it may be, we don't know, it may be good if you do it FBM, but you know, it's super big, right? And like refunds, I guess those stuff is super expensive. So if you want to dive into that, do as you want. I would not if I were you. No. Okay, we have some interesting stuff right there. 30% off on Black Panther toys, Wakanda Forever. Let's check. Yeah, it may be good. One Black Panther mask used to be super good a couple months back from Target. We're gonna look at that definitely. And we're gonna support Black Panther, you know, it's super cool. So yeah, Wakanda Forever, once again. We're gonna look at this. And we're gonna look at the Jurassic Park toys. It's been on sale for a little while. We're just gonna open everything and we'll look at it little by little. Okay, so we also have some promotion on family and friends film. So I've never sold DVDs, to be honest. So yeah, We're gonna look at that. There's Lightyear. You can watch it on Disney Plus. You don't have to buy the Blu-ray. But yeah, I watched it. It was I'm not done watching it though. But it was pretty good. So okay, baby clothes. I do not want to deal with Gerber because it's a pain to deal with that brand. To be honest, there's too many products and stuff. It's really a pain. Let's look at what else we can find. Nah, I'm not gonna look into this. This may be good on Amazon. I don't know if Amazon is not selling it themselves. Some Matrin products are super good. I think that's all we're gonna look at, right? Let's dive a little bit deeper. Bogo 50% on. You could look at that, but I'm not going to. Other bugs, like brands like Other Bugs usually send IP complaints. You know, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna look at those that I just opened. So we have a few products to look at. And yeah, that's how I would do it. This is how I would source targets. So let's do it together. Let's go a little bit deeper, see if we can find anything. So the Gujitsu stuff, usually you want to find them cheaper. I don't think it's going to be profitable if we buy it at $20. I sold a lot of Gujitsu stuff when I was doing retail arbitrage. It used to be good. But you could get them from Ross for super cheap. Yeah, as I said. You know, it does not look like it's going to work. Let's just make sure though. Let's just make sure. Gujitsu Black Panther. Let's see if we can find. Yeah, yeah. As I said, it's too expensive on Target. We're not gonna make any money with this. Let's just keep this open. We're gonna look at other stuff. Yeah. Everything looks expensive, to be honest. Everything looks expensive. Let's look at this. Same thing. Too expensive. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same with this. 30% off is good though. So, you know, we still need to check. And I'm just checking by clicking on the Stellar M thing just to open it right there on the left. But yeah, it does not look like it's going to pull anything. Like it's not good enough. Let's look at. Do I want to look at this? Nah, let's look at other stuff. The Jurassic Park stuff may be good. Yeah, and I want to look at this. So on Kanto, kids love this. So I'm just gonna look at this one, and then we'll call it a day. But you get the idea. This is all you source target. This is all I source target, and all I'm able to find products, and it's not gonna pull anything. On Kanto Blu-ray. Let's see. Well, nah, but it's 4K Ultra HD. I'm not sure this is the same we got here. I'm not sure. This is the one, I believe. 2473 for the Blu-ray one. $14.99. We can get 3% and stuff. Nah, it's too high anyway. But you get the idea. This is all you would source targets. So if I were you, I would look quickly at this section as well, the garden section. It does not look like I'm gonna buy anything this week, so I may have missed some stuff, but like it may be categories that, you know, I never really look at, to be honest. Let's have a quick go through it. You know, you could look at the outdoor accessories if you wanted to. But what's really good is usually it's really good when they have the buy one get one promotion, because those you cannot scan them. I mean, if you were scanning the whole Target website, you could probably find those products if you scan the sales and stuff with tactical arbitrage. I never do it though. But yeah, those actually we have some BOGO products, so I did not see it at first. Those may be good, all right, because those will not pull, like it will not get pulled on tactical arbitrage if you scan the whole website, because the price adjustment is not made on the price right there, as you can see. So this may be good to look at. Just, you know, I don't know this brand, so make sure there's no IP complaint and stuff. And really try to focus on those first, on the BOGO promotions first. And yeah, except from that, this week there's nothing that really looks promising. But try to, okay, yeah, if you want to buy some cherry tomatoes for yourself. But there's nothing that looks really promising. You could look at this, but I mean, yeah, as I said, I don't do this usually. Yeah, so this is how you source target. All right, look at the weekly deals, look at it, find the BOGO promotion before looking at anything else, and you're gonna find some profit from time to time. The rest of the stuff the stuff that is on fixed promotion, like 30% and stuff, the price will get pulled on tactical arbitrage. Those products are usually not as good. Yeah, but the BOGO stuff, you would need to do more research yourself, and this is what you want, right? You want the thing that's harder to find because the price is less likely to tank, right? So this is how I source target personally. I do not source a lot over there, but this is the game plan. This is my game plan for now. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it will help you make more money. If it does, subscribe, like this video and stuff. You know the deal. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll release a new video every day. All right, so stay tuned. Watch on the screen for those videos that are going to get recommended if you want to keep watching for and learn about Amazon. I'll see you tomorrow.